Good morning, and the November rain has come to the Pacific Northwest. It is the very end of November, and today I am on a rainy day hike to see Otter Falls here in the middlefork area. And this is a very rainy day today, so it is going to be kind of the classic Pacific Northwest experience. But this trail is 9 miles through the gorgeous middlefork forest to a really cool waterfall. And when it rains, waterfalls are the thing to go see. Like I said, this trail is 9 miles with about 900 feet of gain, so it's pretty flat. It's gonna be following the river. It's gonna be gorgeous, but it is going to be raining the entire time, which, this time of year, I do enjoy hiking in the rain. So let's get going. Let's go see a waterfall. I am about 2 miles into this, which means I am close to halfway to a waterfall, and this trail follows mostly a really old roadbed, so it's nicely graded. It follows the river, and it's been beautiful so far just because this area has so many gorgeous trees. It's so mossy. Unfortunately, the rain has not been too bad. It's just been a light sprinkle, has not been a downpour, but halfway, and the second half of this trail is supposed to be even more beautiful with more waterfalls, more views of the river, and then of course this is supposed to be a pretty cool waterfall, so I'm excited to see it. But yeah, got about 2.5 more miles to go, and hopefully I don't get too soaked. Hopefully the rain stays like this. That's the goal. It's funny, I just came up on this. This is a small creek running down the face of the rock, and this is kind of a mini version of what Otter Falls is supposed to be like. So I guess a little bit of a foreshadowing of the waterfall that's further up the road. It's so cool. Behind me, I have Otter Falls. I'm under the trees here because the rain started coming down. But wow, this is This scale of this waterfall is really cool. I mean, I've seen pictures, I knew it looked like this, but wow, seeing it in person, it really, pictures do not capture the scale of this thing. This is a massive rock face behind me. Wow, that is cool. I can get closer to it to get some close-up shots, but yeah, sheltering under the trees here so I don't get soaked. But yeah, gotta go check out this waterfall. Such a cool waterfall. It looks like a giant water slide. It is not though. It is too steep for that. People have gotten hurt here trying to do that. But that is just such a cool, like, bedrock sheer face with this waterfall sliding down it. That is just so beautiful. Not a lot of waterfalls around here look like this. I'm under the trees again because you can see on the water how much it's raining, and gosh, this would be a pretty cool swimming hole in the summer. Right now, it is just above freezing, so it is too cold for that. But gosh, looking all the way up to the top, that is really cool. This is this is a cool geologic feature too, with just the raw rock exposed like this. I don't know where the water's coming from. It might be Martin Lake. I'd have to check, but I love being able to look up at the top of a waterfall and just wonder where all that water's coming from. So cool. Man. Yeah, as far as waterfalls go, this is definitely one of the most unique ones I have been to. So I am I am very captivated. Well, I had to say goodbye to Otter Falls. It was amazing, and I got to hang out up there for a little bit, but oh yeah, it is cold, so getting moving back down the trail. The rain has let up a little bit again, so hopefully I will not be completely soaked by the time I get back to the car, but it should be a beautiful, peaceful walk through the forest. This has been classic Pacific Northwest, and there's been nobody around, so it's just been so peaceful. But yep, 4.5 miles back to my car. Let's go. So that was Otter Falls. When there is a lot of rain and you can't get higher into the mountains, waterfalls are a safe bet, especially around here because there's so many. I am not a big waterfall person. I prefer summits and ridges and stuff, but Otter Falls has been at the top of my waterfall list for some time, and I kept putting it off, but it was absolutely worth the 9 miles it takes to get there. This is overall a very easy hike because it's pretty much flat. There's just a steep part to get up to the falls, but this is just like an old road bed the entire way. You don't even feel the gain, but the challenging part is just 9 miles is not the shortest hike ever, so there's that. But the forests in middlefork are gorgeous, and that waterfall really is unique, so I definitely think it's worth getting out to see it. And I was just so happy to get out today. I didn't care it was raining. I have been sick for a good 2 weeks in November, so this is the first time I had the chance to get out since I've gotten better, so gosh, that felt good. And a cool waterfall is a good way to celebrate. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and here are my favorite pictures from the trail today. Enjoy.